First, I just wanted to thank you, the committee staff, the committee, Councilmember Allen, Chairman Mendelson, for your work last year to undo cuts that were similar to this on this initiative. A 67% cut would be devastating for legal aid's ability to serve our clients. We are the largest grantee of this program, which funds 43% of our work and allows us to help clients facing eviction, foreclosure, domestic violence, and more. We'll serve nearly 5,000 district residents with the funding that you all restored in 2024. And even with this existing funding, we'll turn away hundreds of applicants. Cutting funding for the initiative will mean that thousands of our neighbors who we would otherwise help will face the legal system alone. The Access to Justice funds not only support some of our most vulnerable neighbors, but they also help fill critical gaps in government services. The DC courts remain understaffed due to judicial vacancies. Ensuring that litigants have a lawyer can help judges resolve more cases more quickly. Many of the judges have recognized this and refer unrepresented litigants to us for legal services. For example, nearly all family court orders refer litigants to the Family Law Assistance Network, and we have seen a 67% increase in family law cases as a result. We also help address problems with the executive branch that threaten the housing, food, or health care that were intended for our neighbors through council-funded programs. For example, the Department of Human Services faces significant computer issues that impede its administration of public benefits programs. One client we helped received less in nutritional and cash assistance than she should have for more than 4 months because a computer issue prevented the agency from processing an income change. With our help, the client sought review in the Office of Administrative Hearings, where DHS conceded the error and issued corrected benefits. We have helped clients navigate similar problems with housing vouchers, foreclosure assistance, and most dramatically, the executive's refusal to increase SNAP as required by this council's 2024 budget. A lawyer should not be necessary to access these programs, but too often an attorney makes the difference. I'll conclude by urging the council to not only undo the cut in the FY25 budget, but also to work with the mayor to create a predictable funding stream for this initiative. At Legal Aid, ATJ funding is used nearly exclusively to fund personnel, 48 of our 112 staff. So this annual conversation about proposed cuts risks a significant brain drain from this critically important work. We've been able to grow our impact because of sustained investment. We accepted 16% more cases in 2023 than in 2022, and we're on track to accept 49% more cases in 2024 than 2023. You and I worked at OAG while we were building out the affirmative litigation work there. That was only possible because of consistent support over multiple years, and that work now generates significant returns for the district. I urge you to do the same with this program. Thank you.